And it's me, Richie Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up for Best Buy. And for those people who do not know Best Buy is an American retail company or retail store where you guys can buy stuff ranging from electrical stuff to more stuff, alright? So basically, it has physical stuff and online stuff. And if you guys want to buy the online stuff of Best Buy, then basically you need to sign up for Best Buy. And you guys are at the right video, because in this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how you guys can sign up in Best Buy. First step is you want to search for Best Buy sign up. After you search for Best Buy sign up, you want to click on where it says create an account Best Buy. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can create yourself a Best Buy account. Once you're over here, you want to fill up this form like your first name, last name, email address, and password for your account, and entering your password again, and then your mobile number. Entering your mobile number is optional. If you want to enter, you can. If you do not want to enter, you can leave it empty. And after filling up the form, you want to click on create an account, and after clicking on create account, your account will be created for Best Buy. That's basically how easy it is. And if you want to link your Google account for Best Buy, then basically you can click on sign up with Google. Basically, if you click on that, then it's going to use your Google account as your account information for Best Buy. So that's the easy way. But if you guys want to create a separate account, not linked with anything, then you can create by filling this form. So that's basically how you guys can create yourself a Best Buy account. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. And if you guys want to create a business account, you can click on create a business account, and it's going to take you to the page where you guys can create yourself a business account for Best Buy. This page is for like a normal use account, and if you want to create a business account, click on create a business account. Alright, so yeah, that's basically it. Hope you guys were able to understand the video.